Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make a really fun wave knot pattern using a variation of the square knot. To begin, I've just gone ahead and attached 3 ropes to a dowel rod nestled together with a lark's head knot. Our first step is to take our ropes and kind of separate them into 3 sections. We're going to have one section of 3 ropes here on the right, then 2 ropes that will hang in the middle, and 1 cord here alone on the left. I'm going to use these cords to tie a square knot. So I'm going to take the 3 here on the right and cross them over the 2 ropes in the middle to form a loop. Then I'm going to take that single rope on the left, it's going to go over the 3 cords, then behind the 2 in the middle, and up through the loop. And then I'm going to pull this tight. And as you pull it tight, you want to make sure you're keeping the 3 cords here together, nestled right on top of each other for a neat look. Now we're going to complete our square knot by taking the 3 cords here that are and crossing them over the 2 ropes in the middle. I'm then going to take that single cord on the right to go over those cords, then behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And again, I'm pulling this tight, making sure I do it to keep my cords nestled together. Once you have your square knot formed, we can kind of go through and adjust it so you can kind of spread the cords back out if they got too tight. So you can see the cool little pattern here. And now we're just going to repeat. So once again, I start here on the right with these 3 cords to cross over my 2 in the middle. Then I'm going to take that left cord to go over the 3, send it behind the 2 in the middle to go through the loop. And I just gently tug that to tighten. Take the 3 cords back over the middle. The single cord goes over the 3, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And that's all there is to it. So now I just keep repeating this pattern until I have the desired length. Just like that. So this makes a very fun little wavy pattern. You can use this design in plant hangers, wall hangings, keychains, bracelets, really anything you would like. You can finish this off by either making just a normal square knot, so I would take 2 and 2 with 2 in the middle to form a square knot to kind of hold it tighter together, or you can just gather them together and make a little gathering knot. You can also do an overhand knot or any other closure stopper knot you would like. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.